So today is June 24th, 2026, and um yeah, we can take this video as another software update, but I don't know what this video is gonna be like. Yeah, it's gonna be like a software update, and something I wanted to tell you is that yesterday I was really sick, so I couldn't do much stuff. I couldn't do that many things, so because of that, it was it was it was like I was like asleep. I had to take some painkillers, and I was sleeping, and once I woke up, I don't know where to start this and where to end this. So that's the biggest problem I'm having right now. Yeah, so if I go through the if I walk you through the main 2 or 3 points, those 3 points are gonna be like that. My app idea, which is a Sentry, like I explained to you what that app is and what it does and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna get into it. So, Sentry, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try out another different app, which was my initial idea, but I had to cancel it because I don't have free API tokens for AI to integrate AI into the app. So once I found out I mean I found free API tokens uh, a few weeks ago, about free API tokens a few weeks ago, but um, it was not enough. So I had to find any way, and it was yesterday that I found out that I would actually use, let me check how many. um, yeah, I had a great, like a big chat with Gemini, and some, yeah, that Gemini is the AI tool I use. So yeah, I had a big conversation with him and with it, and to find out API tools. And so this is gonna be more like a test app. So this is gonna be more like a test app. The reason is, I'm still not sure whether the free API tokens are gonna work. So the the apps that the free API tokens, the AI tool is Gemini and Grok. So they totally offer 18,000 or 14,000 something free API tokens, which equals to 3,000. Let me check, which equals to um, yeah, which equals to 18,900 requests per day. So 18,900 free message. Oh yeah, so free messages per day, which equals to 18,900 messages per day. If you are integrating the AI API with into your app. So if you combine Google Gemini 3 Flash, 2.5 Flash, 3.1 Flash Lite, and Grok LLMA 3.1 8B instant, then they all have a total of 18,900 free messages per day. They equal free messages per day. You could like, the Grok's gonna give you 14,400 messages per day, and every other Gemini model is gonna give you 1,500 messages per day. And um, what I wanted to tell is that I'll be working on my initial app ideas, because if I work on that, and if it does work, then there's a huge chance that it's more easy to take it off the ground than taking Sentry off the ground, because not necessarily it's easy, but it's gonna be um no it's gonna be easy for me to market it. Like, there's a clear goal, there's a clear vision, there's a clear pain point that I'm solving in the app. um even when I know that the Sentry app, the Visa Guardian app, is gonna work, but I'm still not sure whether it'll be okay that it's just two services that students can use some other tool for. Yeah, of course students can use Notebook LM um, and Notebook LM is the only tool, but Notebook LM, Gemini or ChatGPT, any app that you want. But still, what I'm trying to do with this app is to make the process extremely simple for students, and also students can have all of their work in one app where they could just search it and find whatever they want, the images, the screenshots, the PDFs, the voice recordings, the meetings, the the lectures and stuff, so that it's easy for them to find out, like everything's there in one single place. It's like, um, I don't know what it's like. It's like Google Drive, or um, it's like WeChat. It's like WeChat for students. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna work on that initial idea where the users could upload their past papers and answer sheets, which so when you upload those past papers and answer sheets, Gemini or whatever they are, not Gemini, what my app will do is that it'll it'll predict it'll tell you the most repeated exam questions, and it'll also tell you how to write answers in a way that you get like in a way that you could maximize your marks, right? So there are ways that students are to write the answers to get full marks. For example, if you get like 5 marks for a question, then like you miss out some important words, then you're gonna lose like two marks or 3 marks. So like to not let that happen, users the students can upload their past papers and their work, and the AI will tell what words or how exactly the users can maximize their marks per question, right? And it'll also predict the upcoming questions based on the most repeated questions, the most repeated concepts. Like for example, let's take economics, and the most repeated question is gonna be like, um, I don't know, like something like, mm, draw a demand and supply chart, right? I'm just taking a simple question. Uh, it might be a lot more harder than that, but there are recurring concepts that the students could, like, keep in mind and focus more, so that even when the question changes, that they know this is how you should write the answer, because the concepts, it's the same concept. So yeah, that's and the other thing is that I'm sure that this app is gonna be like solving a real pain problem, and there's something this is something that no other apps doing, right, in the app store. It's not no other apps doing, but Notebook LM is doing, and Notebook LM is a huge success. That's why I think this app also will work. I don't know, I still don't know. It might not work, it might work. Like whatever the reason is, I'm gonna test this app before next week, and maybe like Friday and Saturday I'm gonna be like really busy, and even Sundays, even on Sunday I might not have time, but depending on what day and depending on if I have time, I'll surely you know develop this product. And the other is the main reason is that it's so easy to market this app, right? The marketing doesn't change um, much about the app, right? So of course, like if you don't have clear marketing, it could like make or break your app. That's something that I learned. And if you don't have proper marketing, then it's gonna result in your app being, in your app not working. So I don't want that to happen. And the reason the marketing is clear is that you could show something in your app, and you could tell that this is what it does, and yada 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 stuff. But Yeah, I'm gonna be publishing my the Scenery app anyways because I built it. I'm not gonna lose anything publishing it because I mean, yeah, I'm gonna publish that app anyway to the Play Store. But I'm also making this app which I can help students with their exams. And the most important thing is that Kalei, one of the best apps in the Play Store nowadays, and one of the apps that I'm looking up to. Kalei, no, there's what this other app called? I actually got Coconut. So both Kalei and Coconut have got like the exact same like the marketing way, right? They show you the pain problem, and then they show you their app. That's basically how they do it. So what I think is that, and the most important thing is, instead of showing the pain point, they're also making your life easier, right? That's one of the best best ways to make a product relatable. So what I think is that if I could make this app work, then it's gonna be much more better than Scenery. So yesterday, like whole of yesterday and today morning, I worked on making my productivity tracker, which I think is useful for me to track what I do, to track stuff, to track what I do and stuff like that. So today morning I worked on that, and then I was also working on finding, enough. Um, I was also working on these free API tokens, and let me show you my productivity tracker. So yeah, this is my productivity tracker. You could see everything that I'm tracking. uh, yeah, the date's gonna be here, and everything else, I'll be filling everything else according to this yellow color coded according to the yellow color coded text, the task. So yeah, that's what I did today morning, and I did that today morning, and I was also working on free API thing. And yeah, so let me show you the Gemini chat. I'll just show you it anyways, because you could see it here. And also, while this is going, something I need to tell is that Gemini also told about something, which was I can remember that I fully didn't understand that about that. So I also have to find about do a little research about that. And he told that there's a collection of free API tokens that I could use to build my app or anything like that. So it was like Gemini, Grok, and these other apps. So yeah, you go down here, down. This entire chat was yesterday and today's as well. And yeah, right. So that's all I wanted to tell in this software update, because this is a really important shift that I'm making. Because if I could make this app work, this idea that helps students with their exams, it would be pretty insane, and it would be good that this would look good on marketing. And marketing is the most important thing. Like if you don't have good marketing, then you won't be like having a good app. So like you won't be having that many users if you don't have a good app. So yeah, I think that's all I have to tell in this update. I know this isn't much, but for me this is like a huge thing, because it is it is really important. Because the reason is that I'm not sure that the Scenario app will work. Yeah, but we'll have to see, right? um like if we get into the student uh, space where AI is helping them in their exams. I know about that market pretty much, like a little, like some I know about the market somewhat, but the you the the immigrant student, I don't know much about that, so there are problems like that. And yeah, I think, yeah, that's all I have in this update. Cause yeah, see ya.